way, did he tell you he crashed my drone, my brand new drone? Is probably one of the top ryokans I've ever stayed at. Never had an ocean view that's like snowy all around, below freezing, and a private onsen. What? This one is the bougiest one that has ever booked for me. We gotta go in on this one, babe. Bam.
Oh.
And then this is the sauce. Mia's like, yo. Yeah. She's like, her eyes lit up. Oh my gosh, what do you think?
So we just arrived at Lake Shikotsu, mere minutes before sunset, and Norville's gonna try to fly his Mini 3 Pro right now.
Attempt to. Damn, that's gonna be cold as fuck.
Oh my god, what are you doing? First time in Hokkaido, first time this far up north in Japan. As someone from Southern California, don't really get a lot of chances to visit the snow or be surrounded completely in snow. So I'm gonna try to fly the DJI Mini 3 Pro. There's a nice little bridge right over there. I'm gonna see if I could fly underneath the bridge and get some cool drone shots of this area. We're currently at Lake Shikotsu. It's pretty cold, really not used to this kind of weather, but it's really pretty out here. So someone who was an owner of the first Mavic Platinum or Mavic Pro, the fact that the Mini 3 is so small now and so lightweight is insane. How much the drone technology is involved. It's crazy. This just makes traveling with drones so much easier. Having a remote with a built-in screen, no longer having to fussing around with taking out your phone, attaching it to the remote controller, it just makes things a little bit easier and quicker to set up and tear down. Yeah, it's a little bit bulkier, it's more things that you have to carry, but I feel like I think it's worth the trade-off. Uh-oh, panic time. So I was trying out some of the drone modes. Circle was the one I was last trying. Obstacle avoidance is turned off when using those modes, and I misjudged the height and the drone is stuck up there. Oh, I managed to get the drone out of the tree, shake it loose. There are some scuff marks. I damaged the blades a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna be okay to fly. Backing up the footage, everything that we shot over the past couple days.
did he tell you he crashed my drone, my brand new drone, into the closest tree to him? I mean, like, look how open this area is. And look how low the trees are. How do you crash?
That one right there next to the table and the pile next to those two girls.
How do you crash a drone to the tree that's right next to you?
There's a kid standing with a
Here, it's your Negitoro. Just eat one of yours.
No. Yeah.
Alright, I'm full.
Take a photo. Take a photo first. I know, right? Look at us now.
Dude, seriously?
When you told me, you were like, I remember.
Oh my god. Can't even see it. Dude, Mia bit me and I'm bleeding now.
What?
Last day in Sapporo or in Hokkaido. I'm coming to the end of my trip. This is where we split ways, and on the last day in Hokkaido, it is snowing quite a bit. A big downer for this trip was my zipper on my backpack broke that holds my laptop and iPad. It started snowing on the last day that I was leaving Japan, and so a little bit of snow got inside, so hopefully it's okay. But yeah, this just sucks.